Hi, my cuticle cuties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are on the road to 5K. Yes, that's right. We're on the road to 5K. Thank you to each and every last one of you. You guys have got me to where I'm at right now. Shout out to all of my subscribers. I am greatly appreciative of you all. Today's video, I will be displaying the July giveaway item. And if you guys are joining me for the first time, let me give you a quick rundown. The entire year of 2024, I've been gifting nail products every month. I put out a short video and all you have to do is follow some simple instructions to enter and I select the winner. There you have it. If you want to go back and see what the prizes have been for each month, I'll have all the links in the description. Now let's get straight into the video. So for the month of August, I'll be gifting these 4 packages of press-on nails. I did a PR with these nails and I actually put on 5 on this hand, so I did demo some of these nails with the little sticky back, so they're still in good condition. I am not going to include the little thing that I use, so I kept that one. This is a fresh one. So with the 4 packs of press-on nails, it'll come with this cuticle pusher and this file, and I'll also include all of these sticky tabs. Now, if you want your nails to last longer, go ahead and use you some nail glue. Let's get into these nails. You have this nude color with glitter. And it also comes with a file and a sticky pack as well. You have these almond shape with different color French tips. You have this cute set with the bling and nail charms. And then you have this long coffin shape with this nice nail pattern. All 4 of these nails will go to one lucky winner. And like I said, I'm going to include these tabs and this file and cuticle pusher. And if you want your nails to last longer, I suggest you use a nail glue. Now, in order to enter, let me give you the rundown. This giveaway will run from August 11th through August 17th. The winner will be announced on August 18th. If you would like to win, it's very simple. Make sure you are subscribed, like this video, and comment under this video, pick me. You must be willing to give me your shipping address so I can get these nails shipped right on over to you. I cover the shipping costs. Everything is absolutely free. There will be one lucky winner. To contact me, my email is in my about section. You have only 48 hours to contact me or a new winner will be selected. I do this so that the items don't just linger around and I get them shipped out. So make sure your notifications are on so you don't miss when I drop a video. Just a little tip, if you enter my giveaways, please keep in mind the dates and check back to see if you are a winner. Good luck to everyone that enters. That's all I have for you guys today. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.